One of the basic knowledge that you need to know before you start your Python coding and use it with Selenium is condition, that is if, as, and as if. In Python, this is the syntax, this is the way that we used to use if condition. If, then this is the condition in this bracket, and then this semicolon and print. Print this one is the what you want Python to execute if this statement is true, if this condition is true. And note this indentation. So Python use indentation, but it doesn't. So it doesn't need any curly braces or to define the block. So this one is belong to this if, and this one segment belong to as. So let's run. Let's say s value is 1, y value is 2. X less than 2 is true. So this condition is true, then it will execute this statement, but it won't execute this statement because this condition is true. It will only execute this statement, but it won't execute as statement. But for this x larger than 2, this statement is not true, so it won't execute this statement, but it will execute else statement here. So it will go one by one, and it will keep going forward until it reaches end of the line. Let's try with 3 and 2. So you can see the difference. This one, this condition is false, so you will print this, and this condition is true. So the last condition is true, the rest of it is false, so it will execute this statement and execute this statement.